gonna make this type of bird with craft paper. So what all things we need, let's see. 6 colorful circle paper, glue, small triangle piece of paper for bee, tiny circle paper with sketch pens dot in it. So let's begin. So let's gently press this into half. And join them all together like this. And I am applying the glue. And I'm sticking this. Do like that. Stick it. Like this. And next I'm taking this piece, applying some glue. And just sticking like this. So let's take these 2 small pieces and let's stick it together. Like this. In a correct shape, let's stick it on. Then apply some glue here and in this small triangular piece. And stick these 2 together. Now take this and stick this like this. So I am taking the glue, applying here and sticking. So see guys, our beautiful bird is ready. Same like this, but this is a bit bigger like this. But this is so cute. Thank you. Bye.